Food loss and waste is one of the most critical challenges impacting food security and environmental sustainability worldwide. The United Nations has declared September 29 as the International Day of Awareness of Food Loss and Waste, bringing attention to the staggering figures associated with it. Globally, about 30% of food produced is lost or wasted. But what does this mean for a country like India? Let's start with India's scenario. According to recent studies, India suffers food losses worth a massive 1.53 trillion rupees annually, which translates to around $18.5 billion. What does this mean in terms of food? Well, approximately 12.5 million metric tons of cereals, 2.11 million metric tons of oilseeds, and 1.37 million metric tons of pulses are lost each year. Not to mention, around 49.9 million metric tons of horticultural crops are lost due to inadequate infrastructure like cold storage chains. This loss has far-reaching consequences, from reducing farmers' income potential to hampering India's food security. Moreover, India's agricultural sector heavily depends on traditional techniques, which further aggravate post-harvest losses. For instance, soybeans witness post-harvest losses of 15.34%, and wheat faces losses of around 7.87%. These numbers are substantial and point towards the urgent need for technological interventions. How can India address this? Mechanization offers one viable solution. Farmers using combined harvesters, for example, have reduced paddy losses to just 2.84%. However, only 4.4% of cultivator households own tractors, creating a significant mechanization gap, especially for small-scale farmers. To bridge this gap, farmer-producer organizations, FPOs, and custom hiring centers, CHCs, can play a pivotal role by enabling group leasing of farm machinery. This will allow small and marginal farmers to access technology they otherwise couldn't afford. Another critical area for intervention is infrastructure, especially in drying and storage facilities. Traditional sun-drying methods, commonly used by farmers, lead to substantial losses due to spoilage and quality degradation. However, solutions like solar dryers could significantly reduce these losses. In addition, the government's grain storage plan, which aims to increase storage capacity by 70 million metric tons over the next 5 years, will also be crucial in mitigating food losses. Technological solutions, however, cannot work in isolation. There is a need for strong policy support to back these interventions. The Jute Packaging Material Act, JPMA, for instance, needs to be revisited to encourage the use of airtight storage bags, which can further reduce spoilage. The issue of food loss and waste is not just about economic efficiency, but is closely linked to addressing malnutrition and building climate resilience in agriculture. A holistic approach combining technology, policy, and infrastructure development is necessary to reduce food wastage and improve food security. Climate change only intensifies the need for more resilient and efficient food systems. As we prepare for the future, reducing food loss and waste becomes not just a necessity, but a responsibility. And for UPSC aspirants, understanding the intricacies of this issue is vital as it touches multiple sectors, from agriculture and economics to climate change and policymaking.